Hi, and welcome to Botgen. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of our NLP platform main characteristics. The project management section enables you to have access to all the different projects available in your account, the one that you created, and the ones that other budget members have shared with you. You can click on this button to review and edit the project sharing settings. Click on a project to access to its dedicated working space. The interface is structured around 3 sections. Project, that enables you to quickly switch from one project to another. NLP, that enables you to manage all your project intents, entities, and data. And Training, that enables you to manage your pipeline configurations, create NLP models, and analyze their performances. The Intents section is gathering all your project intents. You can add new intents to your project by clicking on the New Intent button. The Entities sections gathers all your project entities. Click on the entity to access its list of values and synonyms. You can add values and synonyms one by one. Or you could copy-paste multiple values and synonyms at the same time. For instance, if I want to add this list of US cities, I just have to copy, paste, validate, dedupe, and add my values. The sentence sections is the central repository gathering all the training data of your project. Unlike traditional NLP platforms, your training data can be filtered with multiple criteria. You can organize your workflow using a mix of label and views. For example, if I want to display all the sentences that have the organized meeting intent, the test label and the word meeting in the sentence, I just have to apply these filters and I'm done. If I want to save this combination of filters, I just have to click on Create View, Save, and I will be able to access for this view in one click later. You can fly over the sentence to display its entities and values. Click on a word to mark it with a new entity. Choose the entity type and add a value or not. If the value doesn't exist for your entity, click on Create Value to add it automatically to your dictionary. If the value exists and that you want to add a synonym to it, click on Add to Alias. You can change the sentence intents and tags by clicking on these buttons. If you have already trained a model in your project, you can use it to parse your sentences. You can add sentences to your project by clicking on the Add New button. Write them down one by one, or copy and paste a sentence list that you already stored in a spreadsheet file, for example. The Configuration section enables you to create and manage different configuration files for RASA training pipelines. I invite you to read our documentation for more information on this specific point. The Models section enables you to manage, create, and analyze NLP models. All the models trained and available for a specific project are listed when you arrive in this section. Click on a model to have access to its training characteristics. To create an NLP model, click on New Model. Give it a name and choose a training configuration. Select the data that you want to use to train your model. You can also add tests if you want to analyze the performance of your model against specific test data. Choose the entities and simply save. Your model is then ready to be trained. Once your model is trained, you can access its result to analyze its performance against your test sets using standard built-in KPIs and tools such as precision, recall, and F1 score. We also added a confusion matrix. Once you are satisfied of your model performances, you have two different ways to use it. First, by calling directly our API. You generate a security token and use the following requests. Second, you can download a Rasa-compatible version of your model and host it on your own server. That's it. This tour is now over. You can contact us at support@botgenplatform.com if you have any questions. See you soon.